Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gourmet flavors with what many consider the best balsamic vinegar of Modena available. The Giuseppe Giusti Gran Deposito Aceto Balsamico di Giuseppe Giusti Modena. If you're a fan of culinary excellence, you'll appreciate the craftsmanship behind this Italian treasure. Made from the must of cooked sun-dried grapes and aged wine vinegar. This balsamic vinegar undergoes a meticulous process that's been perfected over centuries. Similar to fine wine, it's crafted in the heart of Italy, specifically in Modena, renowned for its exquisite balsamic vinegars. Let's talk about what makes this vinegar stand out. It boasts a rich, deep brown color and a velvety smooth texture. The flavor profile is a symphony of plum jam, red fruit, honey, and hints of vanilla, making it a versatile companion in the kitchen. Whether you're drizzling it over fresh pasta, pairing it with soft cheese, or even adding a twist to your favorite cocktails like a Negroni, this vinegar elevates every dish it touches. Established in 1605, Giuseppe Giusti is the oldest balsamic vinegar producer in the world. A testament to their commitment to quality and tradition. Each bottle of Gran Deposito Aceto Balsamico di Giuseppe Giusti Modena is a blend of ancient recipes and modern expertise. Aged to perfection in barrels that impart complex, nuanced flavors. Not only does the Giuseppe Giusti vinegar excel in taste, but it also shines in presentation. Every bottle comes beautifully packaged in a gift box, making it a luxurious gift for any culinary enthusiast or a delightful treat for yourself. Wondering how to incorporate this vinegar into your meals? Here are some tips. Drizzle it over ripe strawberries or a slice of Parmesan cheese for a delightful appetizer. Or indulge by adding a few drops to vanilla ice cream for a unique dessert experience. Its versatility extends to cocktails too. Try it in a classic Negroni for a sophisticated twist. In conclusion, the Giuseppe Giusti Gran Deposito Aceto Balsamico di Giuseppe Giusti Modena isn't just a condiment. It's a testament to centuries of Italian craftsmanship and dedication to culinary excellence. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a food enthusiast looking to elevate your dishes, this balsamic vinegar is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and culinary adventures. See you next time on Product Critique.